Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This process is done directly from the YouTube app on your phone, not the YouTube Studio app. First, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your channel. Once you're there, tap on your videos and you'll see a list of all your uploaded content. From here, switch to the Shorts tab to view only your short videos. Next, find the short you want to edit and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of that video. From the menu that appears, select Edit. Once you're in the editing screen, you'll be able to make changes to your short, including its thumbnail. Now, tap the pencil icon located at the top left corner. This will allow you to scroll through your video and select a frame to use as the thumbnail. Keep in mind that YouTube doesn't allow you to upload a custom image for shorts. You can only pick a frame from the actual video. After selecting your desired frame, you can also add text, adjust its size, add borders, or apply filters if you want to customize the appearance further. Once you're happy with your selection, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner to confirm your changes. Finally, press Save to update your Shorts thumbnail. And that's it. So that is how you can change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So that's all for this video. Thanks.